Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Before starting my video, I request you guys please subscribe my channel and watch more video. So now let's start. In this video, there are 100 multiple choice questions and answers of medical surgical nursing. First question. Commonest cause of intracerebral bleeding is option. There are four options. A. Diabetes, B. Aneurysm, C. Hypertension and D. Thrombocytopenia. Right answer is C. Hypertension. Hypertension is the commonest cause of intracerebral bleeding. Next question, question number second. Commonest cause of cerebral infarction is option A. Venous thrombosis, B. Arteritis, C. Arterial thrombosis and D. Embolism. Right answer is D. Embolism. Embolism is the commonest cause of cerebral infarction. Next question, question number 3. Commonest complication of tubercular meningitis is option A. Brain abscess, B. Hemorrhage, C. Tuberculoma and D. Cerebral infarction. Right answer is C. Tuberculoma. Tuberculoma is the commonest complication of tubercular meningitis. Next question, question number 4. Commonest cause of primary hydrocephalus is option A. Obstruction to flow of CSF, B. Overproduction of CSF, C. Decreased reabsorption of CSF and D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Obstruction to flow of CSF or cerebrospinal fluid. Commonest cause of primary hydrocephalus is obstruction to flow of CSF. Next question, question number 5. Best indication of testicular biopsy is option A. Oligospermia, B. Azoospermia, C. Pyospermia and D. Normospermia. Right answer is B. Azoospermia. Azoospermia is the best indication of testicular biopsy. Next question, question number 6. Which of the following sentence is true regarding modified radical mastectomy? Option A. Breast tissue, nipples and lymph nodes are removed. B. Only breast tissues are removed. C. Only nipples is removed and D. Only nipple and lymph nodes are removed. Right answer is A. Breast tissue, nipples and lymph nodes are removed in modified radical mastectomy. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following is true about cryptorchidism? Option A. It is also known as undescended testis. B. 75 cases lie at inguinal ring. C. Testis is small and fibrous. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 8. The prostatic growth in BPH or benign prostatic hypertrophy is due to option A. Estrogen, B. Testosterone, C. Dihydrotestosterone and D. 17-estroidal. Right answer is C. Dihydrotestosterone. Next question, question number 9. The most common cancer in women of developing countries is option A. Carcinoma of breast, B. Carcinoma cervix, C. Carcinoma uterus and D. Lung cancer. Right answer is B. Carcinoma cervix. Carcinoma cervix is the most common cancer in women of developing countries. Next question, question number 10. Most common germ cell tumor is option A. Choriocarcinoma, B. Seminoma, C. Teratoma and D. Yolk sac tumor. Right answer is A. Choriocarcinoma. Choriocarcinoma is the most common germ cell tumor. Next question, question number 11. In gut, there is accumulation of option A. Urea, B. bilirubin, C. Uric acid, and D. cholesterol. Right answer is C. Uric acid. In gut, accumulation of uric acid. Next question, question number 12. All are signs of carcinoma of cervix. Expect option A. Bleeds on touch, B. friability, C. induration, and D. hematomesis. Right answer is D. hematomesis. Next question, question number 13. Which of the following is a cause of lung abscess? Option A. Aspiration of gastric content, B. Aspiration of infective materials, C. It may occur as a complication of pneumonia, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 14. Which of the following sentence is true about uterine fibroid? Option A. Commonest uterine tumor, B. Malignant transformation is rare, C. It causes menorrhagia, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 15. Most common clinical features of renal carcinoma is option A. Pain in abdomen, B. Painless hematuria, C. Frequency of micturition, and D. Fever and malaise. Right answer is B. Painless hematuria. The most common clinical features of renal carcinoma is painless hematuria. Next question, question number 16. Commonest type of carcinoma cervix is option A. Squamous cell carcinoma, B. Mucoid cell carcinoma, C. Clear cell carcinoma, and D. Transitional carcinoma. Right answer is A. Squamous cell carcinoma. Next question, question number 17. Most common type of stones seen in kidneys are option A. Calcium stones, B. cystine stones, C. xanthine stone, and D. Uric acid stone. Right answer is A. Calcium stones. Calcium stones is most common type of stones seen in kidney. Next question, question number 18. Stone associated with urinary tract infections are option A. Uric acid stones, B. Calcium stone, C. Mixed struvite stones, and D. cystine stone. Right answer is C. Mixed struvite stones. Stones associated with urinary tract infections are mixed struvite stones. Next question, question number 19. Following are the true sentence regarding dietary modification in renal calcium stones. Expect option A. Acid-as foods should be given, B. Increase calcium intake, C. Decrease calcium intake, and D. Avoid excess intake of vitamin D. Right answer is B. Increase calcium intake. Next question, question number 20. All are clinical symptoms of fibroid uterus. Expect option A. Menorrhagia, B. amenorrhea, C. metrorrhagia, and D. polymenorrhagia. Right answer is B. Amenorrhea. Amenorrhea is not a symptom of fibroid uterus. Next question, question number 21. Which of the following is a clinical features of carcinoma cervix? Expect option A. Bleeding and pelvic pain, B. Offensive vaginal discharge, C. Cachexia, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 22. Which of the following is true about asthma? Option A. Extrinsic and intrinsic triggering factors are responsible. B. Sputum contains eosinophil and charcot Leydig crystals. C. Treatment includes use of bronchodilators and corticosteroid. And D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Means These three sentences are true regarding asthma. So right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 23. Commonest site of peptic ulcer is option A, esophagus, B, antral portion of stomach, C, first portion of duodenum, and D, Meckel's diverticulum. Right answer is C, first portion of duodenum is the most commonest site of peptic ulcer. Next question, question number 24. All are features of gastric ulcer except option A, pain after eating, B, hematemesis, C, pain is relieved by food, and D, loss of weight. Right answer is C, pain is relieved by food. Next question, question number 25. Rheumatic fever is caused by option A, alpha hemolytic streptococci, B, beta hemolytic streptococci, C, staphylococcus aureus, and D, pneumococcus. Right answer is B, beta hemolytic streptococci. Next question, question number 26. Which of the following is the cause of carcinoma of lungs? Option A, cigarette smoking, B, atmospheric pollution, C, radiation exposure, and D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 27. In following, which is a clinical manifestation of aortic aneurysm? Option A, dyspnea, B, syncope, C, cyanosis, and D, all. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 28. Most common cause of aortic aneurysm is option A, diabetic mellitus, B, syphilis, C, trauma, and D, atherosclerosis. Right answer is D, atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the most common cause of aortic aneurysm. Next question, question number 29. Complication of aneurysm includes option A, compression on adjacent structures, B, thrombosis, C, rupture, and D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 30. The persons of following blood group have highest tendency of gastric carcinoma. Option A, blood group A, B, blood group B, C, blood group O, and D, blood group AB. Right answer is A, blood group A. Next question, question number 31. Autosclerosis is A. Option A, ear disorder, B, eye disorder, C, skin disorder, and D, renal disorder. Right answer is B, ear disorder. Autosclerosis is a ear disorder. Next question, question number 32. The most characteristic histological finding of acute rheumatic carditis is option A, vegetations on mitral valve leaflets, B, Escop bodies in myocardium, C, increased vascularity of valve, D, fibrinous pericarditis. Right answer is B, Escop bodies in myocardium. Next question, question number 33. Oral cancer most commonly affect the option A, tongue, B, floor of mouth, C, buccal mucosa, and D, lower lips. Right answer is D, lower lips. Oral cancer most commonly affect the lower lips. Next question, question number 34. Gastric ulcer is caused due to option A, decreased mucosal resistance, B, hypoacidity, C, bile acid reflux, and D, recurrent trauma. Right answer is A, decreased mucosal resistance. Gastric ulcer is caused due to decreased mucosal resistance. Next question, question number 35. Commonest site of tuberculosis of intestine is option A, ileum, B, colon, C, jejunum, and D, duodenum. Right answer is A. Ileum. Ileum is the most commonest site of tuberculosis of intestine. Next question, question number 36. Commonest type of cirrhosis is option A. Biliary cirrhosis, B. Post-necrotic cirrhosis, C. Alcoholic cirrhosis, and D. Cardiac cirrhosis. Right answer is C. Alcoholic cirrhosis. Commonest type of cirrhosis is alcoholic cirrhosis. Next question, question number 37. Cells most sensitive to hypoxia are option A. Neurons, B. Myocardial cells, C. Hepatocytes, and D. Renal tubular epithelial cells. Right answer is A. Neurons or nerve cells. Nerve cell or neurons are most sensitive to hypoxia. Next question, question number 38. Which of the following is the cause of cell injury? Option A. Hypoxia, B. Drugs and chemicals, C. Microbiologic agent, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 39. The characteristic features of chronic alcoholic liver diseases. Option A. Fatty liver, B. Hyaline sclerosis, C. Cirrhosis, and D. Periportal fibrosis. Right answer is A. Fatty liver. Fatty liver is the main features of chronic alcoholic liver disease. Next question, question number 40. During hepatitis infection, infectivity is highest during option A. Ectric phase, B. Incubation period, C. Pre-ectric phase, and D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Incubation period. During hepatitis infection, infectivity is highest during incubation period. Next question, question number 41. In India, acute hepatitis A mostly affect option A. Children between 3 to 12 years, B. Newborn infant, C. Pregnant women, and D. Elderly diabetics. Right answer is A. Children between 3 to 12 years. Next question, question number 42. Shrinkage in size of cell is known as option A. Hypertrophy, B. Atrophy, C. Hyperplasia, and D. All. Right answer is B. Atrophy. Atrophy means shrinkage in size of cell. Next question, question number 43. Commonest site of metastasis is option A. Kidney, B. Lungs, C. Liver, D. Brain. Right answer is C. Liver. Liver is the most commonest site for metastasis. Next question, question number 44. Total lack of differentiation is known as option A. Anaplasia, B. Metastasis, C. Metaplasia, and D. Hyperplasia. Right answer is anaplasia. Anaplasia means total lack of differentiation. Next question, question number 45. A patient pulse rate is less than 60 beats per minute is known as option A. Acardia, B. Tachycardia, C. Bradycardia, and D. Pericardia. Right answer is C. Bradycardia. In bradycardia, pulse rate is less than 60 beats per minute. Next question, question number 47. Gut occurs as a result of option A. Hyperuricemia, B. Hyperproteinemia, C. Decreased WBC count, and D. Hypercalcemia. Right answer is A. Hyperuricemia. Hyperuricemia. Next question, question number 48. Paget's disease is a option A. Bone disorder, B. Cardiac disorder, C. Respiratory disorder, and D. Neurological disorder. Right answer is A. Bone disorder. Paget's disease is a bone disorder. Next question, question number 49. posterior rounding of the thoracic spine is known as? Option A. Lordosis, B. Osteomyelitis, C. kyphosis, and D. Osteoporosis. Right answer is C. Kyphosis. Posterior rounding of the thoracic spine is known as kyphosis. Next question, question number 50. Fracture within the last inch of distal radius is known as? Option A. Colles fracture, B. Potts fracture, C. Edwards fracture, and D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Colles fracture. Fracture within the last inch of distal radius is known as Colles fracture. Next question, question number 51. Most common pathogenic organism responsible for osteomyelitis is? Option A. Pneumococci, B. E. coli, C. Salmonella, and D. Staphylococcus aureus. Right answer is D. Staphylococcus aureus is the most common pathogenic organism responsible for osteomyelitis. Next question, question number 52. Traction is used to treat? Option A. Inflammation, B. Fracture, C. Heart failure, and D. Respiratory problem. Right answer is B. Fracture. Traction is used to treat fracture. Next question, question number 53. In following, which is the favorable factor for bone healing? Option A. Good blood supply at bone end, B. Flat bones, C. Effective immobilization, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 54. Fracture at medial malleus of the tibia and fibula is known as? Option A. Colles fracture, B. Potts fracture, C. Edward fracture, and D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Potts fracture. In Potts fracture at medial malleus of the tibia and fibula, next question, question number 55. The most reliable way of collecting urine is by? Option A. Midstream voiding, B. Catheter aspiration, C. Urethral catheterization, D. Suprapubic aspiration. Right answer is D. Suprapubic aspiration. Next question, question number 56. Ligamentous injury resulting from overstress that damages ligament fibers at their attachment to a bone is known as? Option A. Strains, B. Sprains, C. Gut, and D. Fracture. Right answer is B. Sprains. Ligamentous injury resulting from overstress that damage ligament fibers at their attachment to a bone is known as sprain. Next question, question number 57. Purpose of traction includes? Option A. Promote healing of fractured bones, B. Decrease muscle spasm, C. Prevent the development of contractures, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 58. The area between vagina and anal opening is known as? Option A. Labia minora, B. Labia majora, C. Perineum, and D. Vulva. Right answer is C. Perineum. The area between vagina and anal opening is known as perineum. Next question, question number 59. Normal sperm count in semen is about? Option A. 10 million per ml, B. 20 million per ml, C. 200 million per ml, D. 300 million per ml. Right answer is B. 20 million per ml. Normal sperm count in semen is about 20 million per ml. Next question, question number 60. Management of strains includes? Option A. Proper rest, B. Elevated injured part, C. Splinting, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 61. pH of semen is option A acidic, B alkaline, C neutral, and D has no pH. Right answer is B alkaline. pH of semen is alkaline nature. Next question, question number 62. Acromegaly is a option A digestive disorder, B endocrinal disorder, C respiratory disorder, and D cardiac disorder. Right answer is B endocrinal disorder. Acromegaly is a endocrinal disorder. Next question, question number 63. Diabetes insipidus occurs due to option A excess of thyroxine hormone, B deficiency of growth hormone, C deficiency of ADH, D excess secretion of ADH. Right answer is C deficiency of ADH. Diabetes insipidus occurs due to deficiency of ADH. Next question, question number 64. Syndrome of inappropriate ADH is a condition in which option A absence of secretion of ADH, B less secretion of ADH, C continued secretion of ADH regardless of the level of plasma osmolarity. Right answer is C. Continued secretion of ADH regardless of the level of plasma osmolarity means syndrome of inappropriate ADH or SIADH is a condition in which continued secretion of ADH regardless of the level of plasma osmolarity. Next question, question number 65. Acromegaly occurs due to option A hyperpituitarism, B hypopituitarism, C decreased secretion of thyroxine hormone, D decreased secretion of insulin hormone. Right answer is A hyperpituitarism. Acromegaly occurs due to hyperpituitarism. Next question, question number 66. Following disorder are associated with hyper or hyposecretion of adrenal gland. Expect option A Cushing syndrome, B Addison disease, C Conn's syndrome, and D myxedema. Right answer is D myxedema. Next question, question number 67. In following, which is a symptom of diabetes insipidus? Option A polyuria, B polydipsia, C oliguria, and D both A and B. Right answer is D. Both A and B means polyuria and polydipsia is the symptoms of diabetic insipidus. So right answer is D. Both A and B. Next question, question number 68. Clinical manifestation of acromegaly includes option A enlargement of hand and feet, B protruding jaw, C increase in the size of nose, and D all of the above. Right answer is D all of the above. Next question, question number 69. In following, which is not a symptom of syndrome of inappropriate ADH or SIADH? Option A low urine output, B polyuria, C high specific gravity of urine, and D decreased serum sodium and potassium level. Right answer is B polyuria. Polyuria is not a symptom of SIADH. Next question, question number 70. Which of the following is a complication of fracture? Option A nerve injury, B shock, C compartment syndrome, D all of the above. Right answer is D all of the above. Next question, question number 71. Which of the following is the priority nursing care in the management of a burn patient? Option A to maintain fluid balance, B to prevent hypothermia, C to improve nutritional status, and D to reduce anxiety level. Right answer is A to maintain fluid balance. Next question, question number 72. Cretinism occurs as a result of option A hyperthyroidism, B hypothyroidism, C hyperparathyroidism, and D hypoparathyroidism. Right answer is B. Hypothyroidism. Creatinism occurs due to result of hypothyroidism. Next question, question number 73. Which of the following antihypertensive drugs is contraindicated in pregnancy? Option A. Calcium channel blockers, B. Beta blockers, C. Hydrogen, D. ACE inhibitors. Right answer is D. ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors, antihypertensive drugs, is contraindicated in pregnancy. Next question, question number 74. During diabetes insipidus, serum sodium level. Option A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Remain normal, and D. None of these. Right answer is B. Decrease. During diabetes insipidus, serum sodium level is decrease. Next question, question number 75. During syndrome of inappropriate ADH, normal saline is given for the purpose of. Option A. Increase fluid intake, B. Increase serum sodium level, C. Decrease serum sodium level, and D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Increase serum sodium level. During syndrome of inappropriate ADH, normal saline is given for the purpose of increase serum sodium level. Next question, question number 76. A 3-year-old child suddenly develops breathlessness, cough, and dyspnea while playing. In this condition, which is the most likely causes? Option A. Foreign body aspiration, B. Pneumonia, C. Congestive heart failure, and D. Status asthmaticus. Right answer is A. Foreign body aspiration. Next question, question number 77. Which of the following is the commonest cause of death in thermal burn? Option A. Cardiac arrhythmia, B. Hypovolemic shock, C. Severe pain, and D. Psychological trauma. Right answer is B. Hypovolemic shock. The most commonest cause of death in thermal burn is hypovolemic shock. Next question, question number 78. Tetany may occur as a result of. Option A. Viral infection, B. Hypothyroidism, C. Hyperparathyroidism, and D. Hypoparathyroidism. Right answer is D. Hypoparathyroidism. Tetany may occur as a result of hypoparathyroidism. Next question, question number 79. Hyperthyroidism may cause. Option A. Loss of appetite, B. Tachycardia, C. Bradycardia, and D. Constipation. Right answer is A. Tachycardia. Hyperthyroidism may cause tachycardia. Next question, question number 80. Clinical manifestation of Graves' disease include. Option A. Change in vision, B. Significant weight loss despite increased appetite and food intake, C. Increased peristalsis leading to diarrhea, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 81. Thyroidectomy means. Option A. Removal of thyroid gland, B. Inflammation of thyroid gland, C. Enlargement of thyroid gland, and D. Tumor of thyroid gland. Right answer is A. Removal of thyroid gland. Thyroidectomy means removal of thyroid gland. Next question, question number 82. Compression of the following nerve causes carpal tunnel syndrome. Option A. Radial nerve, B. Axillary nerve, C. Ulnar nerve, and D. Median nerve. Right answer is D. Median nerve. Compression of median nerve may cause the carpal tunnel syndrome. Next question, question number 83. Paradoxical respiration can be seen in the following condition. Option A. Pneumonia, B. Rib fracture, C. Pneumothorax, and D. Asthma. Right answer is B. Rib fracture. Paradoxical respiration can be seen in the rib fracture. Next question, question number 84. Management of hyperthyroidism includes. Option A, radioactive I-131, B, use of antithyroid drug, C, thyroidectomy, and D, all. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 85. Management of hypothyroidism is excluding option A, replacement thyroid hormone, B, thyroidectomy, C, low calorie diet to promote weight loss, D, decrease cholesterol intake. Right answer is B, thyroidectomy. Next question, question number 86. Side effect of thyroid replacement therapy includes option A, increased workload of the heart, B, increased myocardial oxygen demand, C, decreased myocardial oxygen demand, and D, both A and B. So right answer is D, both A and B, means increased workload of the heart and increased myocardial oxygen demand. Next question, question number 87. In thrombocytopenia, bleeding time. Option A, increase, B, decrease, C, may increase or decrease, D, there is no relation between thrombocytopenia and bleeding time. Right answer is A, increase. In thrombocytopenia, bleeding time should be increased. Next question, question number 88. Excessive secretion of parathyroid hormone leads to option A, bone deformities, B, hypercalcemia, C, kidney stones, and D, all. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 89. Nursing interventions during hyperparathyroidism are expect option A, diuretics, B, decrease fluid intake, C, encourage mobility, D, high fluid intake to dilute serum calcium. Right answer is B, decrease fluid intake. Next question, question number 90. Clinical manifestation of hypoparathyroidism includes option A, muscle weakness, B, bronchospasm, C, loss of hair, and D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 91. The primary function of insulin is option A, to decrease the blood glucose level, B, to increase the blood glucose level, C, to increase protein level, and D, to decrease protein level. Right answer is A, to decrease the blood glucose level. The primary function of insulin is to decrease the blood glucose level. Next question, question number 92. Treatment plan of hypoparathyroidism include option A, parathyroidectomy, B, decrease calcium in diet, C, increase calcium in diet, and D, decrease vitamin D intake. Right answer is C, increase calcium in diet. Treatment plan of hypoparathyroidism include increase calcium in diet. Next question, question number 93. DM or diabetes mellitus is caused by option A, increased insulin level, B, decreased insulin level, C, increased thyroid hormone, D, decreased thyroid hormone. Right answer is B, decreased insulin level. DM is caused by decreased insulin level. Next question, question number 94. Truest sentence about diabetic diet is option A, fat-free diet should be given to the patient. B, diet should contain excess of simple sugars. C, diet should contain sufficient calories to meet nutritional needs and optimum glucose level. D, diet should not contain carbohydrate. Right answer is D, diet should not contain carbohydrate. Next question, question number 95. Metabolic effect of exercise during diabetes mellitus is option A, it reduces insulin need by reducing blood glucose level. B, it contributes to weight loss. C, it decreases blood pressure, and D, all of the above. Right answer is A. It reduces insulin need by reducing blood glucose level. Next question, question number 96. Ketone bodies are formed due to metabolism of option A. Protein, B. Carbohydrate, C. Vitamins, and D. Fat. Right answer is D. Fat. Ketone bodies are formed due to metabolism of fat. Next question, question number 97. Which of the following is an acute complication of diabetes mellitus? Option A. Diabetic ketoacidosis, B. Hypoglycemia, C. Diabetic coma, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 98. Following are the causes of diverticulitis expect. Option A. High fiber diet, B. Increased intracolonic pressure, C. Chronic constipation, and D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Chronic constipation. Next question, question number 99. Candidiasis is caused by option A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Protozoa, and D. Yeast. Right answer is D. Yeast. Candidiasis is caused by the yeast. Next question, question number 100. Stomatitis is the inflammation of option A. Oral cavity, B. Stomach, C. Tongue, and D. Intestine. Right answer is D. Oral cavity. Stomatitis is the inflammation of oral cavity.